Hello guys, welcome back. Here's gonna have our first assignments, your actual real assignment of the day is. So let's start with circles, right? So if you get to here, we do have a circle here. We have various points. We have point E here, point A, D, F, B, and C. Okay. Now I'm gonna start very simple. The way we name circles is we have to look for the center of the circle first. So you can see here, the center point would be F, right? So this we would call this circle F, right? So if you look at your worksheet on Google Classroom, the first thing that's asking you is name the circle. Okay, so the name of this circle would be circle F. The way we would describe that is you would literally draw a circle, draw a point in the center, and call it F. So the way we read this is circle F. So that would be the first answer to the example. Okay, so part A would be circle F. Okay, then we have the second part, which is part B. It says name the radii of the circle. Now the radii is half of the circle. So here we have multiple ones. If you look at this example here, we have multiple options. So for part B, this could be some of the answers. So we have DF would be a radii, which is half of the circle. So one of the answers you could have is line segment DF. Okay. Another answer you could have is FB. So line segment FB. And the last example you could have, or the last answer you could have, would be FC. Line segment FC. So any of these answers would be correct. Okay, you just have to make sure it goes from the center to the outermost of the circle. Okay, now let's go to part C. Part C, it's asking you name a chord of the circle. Now a chord is kind of tricky. All the chord is from one end of the circle to the other end of the circle. Okay, so for example, one of my chords here could be this chord right here, E, A. So you could say line segment E, A would be a chord. Okay, so it goes from one end to the other side of the circle. Okay, it doesn't have to go through the center as long as it goes from one edge to the other. Okay, another example of a chord would be DB. So line segment DB. Okay, as long as it goes from one endpoint to the other of the circle, that would be a chord. Okay, so now if you look at example one, the first problem of the question, it's asking you name the circle. Now again, use the center point, and whatever letter is on that center point, that's going to be the name of your circle. Okay, go ahead and complete only numbers 1 through 14. Once you're complete, you take a picture. So again, we're doing numbers 1 through 14. Okay, 1 through 14. Once you're done with this, take a picture of your answers and upload it to Google Classroom, guys. That's all your work. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.